Got our crushed decal, one of the best. I can cheat quite a lot on this. So in case you guys haven't seen the older video, this is our 1954 International pickup door. It's the original door. It's the driver's door, I'm pretty sure. Yep, it's the driver's door. Basically, we've removed a lot of the Bondo on it, aka all the Bondo. Hashtag no Bondo. No Bondo gang. But, now I'll show you guys kind of where we left off. Basically this back panel piece. We're gonna weld that sucker in. Jeez, a mosquito just flew in my eye. Welcome to High House Stable Garage. So here's kind of where we left off there. A little bit of gap. And here's kind of what we got going on. This piece here. We're going to weld that sucker in. So I think I'm going to start by just kind of doing a couple love tacks there. Then we'll start doing a little bit of cut and butt. Work our way around. And let's get this guy inside.
Feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning.
Alright guys, so we got this all welded in now. Fully seam welded. Seam welded at the bottom. We're not going to grind anything. As I said, even on the front, we're not going for grinded finish that we can paint and a whole bunch of stuff right now. We're just kind of going for, can we take the rust and turn it into steel? And then off camera, as that was cooling, I came over here. Remember how this was all bent in? I fished around from the back with pry bar, striking pry bar, and then hammered and dollied it quite a lot. But we bent the steel back. So now we're just going to kind of weld across. I would have showed you guys that, but there was no real good way to get an angle on it. I was moving around this whole piece the entire time. So let's Zeus that in. Now that mistake's fixed. Not my mistake, though. Doesn't happen often that it's not my mistake. All right, so here's a fun one here. I thought this was actually going to be a lot worse than it was, but turns out the brace behind is actually in good shape. It's just the outer skin. So I can cheat quite a lot on this. I can just cut out the bad skin here up to, I think, about like right there, whatever. And basically it's just a flat piece. So I think we lucked out. Let me flip you guys around. But no, this is kind of what I'm talking about. You have your main, well, put in perspective, I took the hinge out right here. Believe it or not, the bolts came out, which was pretty nice. But the hinge would normally kind of slide up right through here. But there's this outside tacked skin to this main brace. The main brace is actually in pretty good shape, other than a little crack there, but we can weld that up while we're in there. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of grind down these spot welds here and kind of likely come out right to here or right to here. Get a lot of new steel basically into this and fix that whole corner up.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Alright, so we got all that cut out. We got our crushed decal. One of the best. Let me flip you guys around. Oh. Never flipped you guys around yet. One sec. So let me cut that out over there. Alright, so after some cutting and some drilling later, that's kind of roughly what we got going on. Just got to fiddle around with the holes a little bit, but we're going to tack this guy in, and then we're going to fully seam weld that, and then we just got to make a lip that kind of comes out to here a little bit, and then we can wrap this edge back over.
Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So there you go, guys. We basically have the bottom lip done. This corner section here, reversed to the other side. We got that all welded in. We popped this back into place, grinded the entire door down, and basically pulled some dents. Now, if you like this kind of stuff, we got another video coming very soon on the passenger door, and it's, you know, almost just as bad. But we're going to hang tight on these doors for just a little bit because we're going to start doing the cab again. It's supposed to have a couple nice days. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one very, very soon. All right, see ya.